Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I wanted to take a moment to talk about your dream. Whether it's a dream of living in Italy or a dream of creating a new life or a dream of achieving a new goal, whatever your dream is, there's a lot to it. You know, it's not just, well, you have this dream and you come over and you just do it and it's all fine. You know, yeah, that it can be that way, but, you know, dreams, the point between dreams and reality can be gnarly. It can be gnarly. You know, we've had our situations here, you know, about, setting up the YouTube channel, getting popular, creating a whole new market and everything in Santa Domenica Talao and in the whole area here in Calabria. And, you know, you expect everybody to go, yay, yay, but they don't. You know, there's always a handful of people that have to attack you. And I'm finding out from various sources, including my coach, who was a publicist in Hollywood for like 25 years, that comes with the territory. Whenever you're known about, you're going to get trolled. And that's just my particular bogeyman. That's what I have to deal with. But you might have something totally different to deal with your dream. Now let's just take the dream of moving to Italy, buying a place, and moving over here, and look at what all is involved. It's a lot of steps. You know, there's so much to it. It's a whole different system. It's a whole different language. It's a whole different culture. It's a whole different place. And there's logistical issues and everything else. There's a lot to it. So I guess my whole point of this particular post is sometimes it's going to be hard, and sometimes it's going to be really hard. Dreams are great. You know, they're just trying to go after a dream. I've seen, especially my art journey, as you've seen, although that came pretty easy, I got to say. But the journey here, you know, in Calabria and trying to boom Calabria and boom all the hill towns in Italy and bring in economics and work and everything to the people here, it has not been a smooth ride. I'll tell you that right now. So my point being that going after a dream is ecstatic highs punctuated by some of maybe the lowest lows. It's a roller coaster ride. And that's what the game is. And if you're in it for that, then great. It can be hard at times, but at the same time, it can be amazing because you can sit out on your balcony and talk to people on YouTube like I am and look at the sea and smell the flowers and just be in paradise. Well, paradise takes work to get there, and sometimes people don't want you in paradise, so they try to bring you down. But understand that the barriers are going to be there. They may be external barriers, things like, you know, having trouble getting your visa or not knowing who to turn to when this goes on. Or the other day I had my toilet raining in the bathroom. It was raining. Raining from the toilet tank. I'm like, oh no, now what? Because I had, you know, a sick friend that I was taking care of, and then it's raining in the bathroom. And I was like, oh my goodness, okay, well, what else could happen? So that got fixed. And then, you know, there's all kinds of stuff that comes up and you have to deal with it. It's basically a problem-solving exercise. But just try to roll with the punches, keep your eye on the goal, and when you do have a minute to sit down on your balcony and look at the view and smell the flowers and understand where you are and have that sense of peace and accomplishment, it's all worth it. I guarantee you it's all worth it. So if you're having troubles, if you hit obstacles, we're here. And we're here to help you, and achieving your dreams is what we're all about. So there you go, guys. Hope this helps.